This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. Upgraded townhome in the sought-after gated golf community of Eagle Creek. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath unit is tastefully updated with granite counters, center island with farmhouse-style sink, 42 cabinets and a huge walk-in pantry. Open concept for family room and an amazing wood accent wall with electric fireplace. Upstairs master retreat features a beautiful wood accent wall, great walk-in closet, ensuite with dual sinks and walk-in shower. Secondary rooms are generous in size and great natural lighting. Laundry room is upstairs and super convenient. 2-car garage features built-in hanging shelving. Brick paver patio and driveway. This end unit provides incredible natural lighting. Features of Eagle Creek include a beautiful community pool and hot splash area, fitness center, clubhouse, tennis courts and playground. Golf course community and tons of sidewalks for long walks/jogs. Conveniently located in Lake Nona/Medical City, you are zoned for excellent schools, minutes to Nemours Childreans Hospital, the VA hospital and all that is calling Lake Nona home. If you travel, IA is only a 10-minute drive. About a 30-minute drive to the Space Coast. Enjoy maintenance-free living. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski at 407-462-7736.